Hello everyone, I am Anjali Daima from SAS Institute of Management Studies. My topic name is Research Design. Research is done on a particular topic to know the actual information about that particular thing. So it consists of meaning parts of research design process, hypothesis testing and features of the research design. So first we will see the meaning of research design. Research design is the arrangement of conditions for collection and analysis of data in a manner that aims to combine relevance to the research purpose with the economy in procedure. So the data which is collected for the research purpose should be accurate and proper so that the further research can be done properly. Parts of research design. There are 4 types of research design, that is sampling design, observational design, statistical design and operational design. First we will see sampling design. It deals with the methods of selecting items to be observed for the study. So methods of the sampling designs are different and it is observed further and then only the research design is studied. Observational design, which relates to condition under which the observation are to be created. So observation are created in which condition this research is done in the observational design. Statistical design. Statistical is related to the data, how the data is gathered and how it will be analyzed. Operational data. It deals with the techniques by which the procedures satisfy in sampling. Operational data is a technical which deals with the procedure. Features of research design. The main feature of research design is to obtain information. The information must be accurate, proper and genuine. The availability of the skills of the research and his staff should be proper. Skill must be proper of the researcher. Then only the research can be further be done properly. The objective of the problem to be studied. The nature of the problem is to be studied and the availability of time and money for the research work should be proper. Process of research design. Process is to analyze research tools, searching the data properly. Evaluation means checking the data, whether the data is correct or not. Records of the data should be maintained properly and repeat. So this is the process how the research is done on a particular topic. So analysis, recording and evaluation is must in the research design. Hypothesis testing research design. Hypothesis consists of manipulation, means it can be changed and it can be checked properly, then only it is manipulated, controlled. Hypothesis testing consists of controlling on the research which have been done and random and assignment and random selection. So the assignment and the selection is done properly. Conclusion of research design. A research design is a master plan that specifies the method and procedure for collecting and analyzing the needed information. It is the strategy for how the data will be collected and from where the data is collected. It provides the scheme for answering the research question. Questionnaire is made while doing a research process. It maintains control to avoid bias that may affect the outcomes of the research. So, if the data is collected and analyzed properly from the starting, then there will be a proper research done on a particular topic. So, thank you for listening my PPT.